Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, you can iterate over a list and get both the index and the corresponding element using the enumerate function. This is a handy feature that makes it easy to work with both the value and its position in the list. Here's a tutorial with code examples. In Python, there are various ways to iterate over a list, and sometimes you may need not only the elements but also their corresponding indices. The enumerate function is a convenient way to achieve this by providing both the index and the element in each iteration. The enumerate function takes an iterable, like a list, as an argument and returns tuples containing the index and the corresponding element. Here's a basic syntax. Let's break down the components. Output,